Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can pose in your Roblox profile picture. To do that, you need to go into the app of Roblox. You cannot do it from other, you just need to have your mobile phone app of Roblox. From over here you can see your profile picture at the bottom of your screen in the middle. Click on the profile picture, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're over here at the top, you want to click on customize and go on the customize section. Now once you're inside customize, you want to click on the little character icon at the top left of your screen, which is right beside the arrow button. Once you click on a character, it's going to show you different kind of emote at the bottom. You can even buy the emote if you want to, but if you don't want to buy the emote, you can choose the one which is free to you. After you choose the emote which you want, click on next at the bottom, and over here what you want to do is zoom out. It's going to be in default like this. We don't want this, we want to zoom out so we can clearly see our emotes. And if you want to rotate your character, you can rotate it like this as well. After it's done, you can click on where it says next at the bottom. And as you guys can see, this is basically what my profile picture is going to look like. It's waving, so my profile picture now has a pose. I can click on save and my Roblox profile picture will be changed with a pose. So that's how we guys can pose in Roblox profile picture. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.